Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to tag people on your Instagram post. Let's launch the Instagram app first. For this particular example guys, we are going to create a brand new Instagram post. Let's click on the lower center of the screen and click on the plus sign. Let's select what we want to upload. In this example, I'm going to upload this image over here. We are going to change the contrast very fast. Then we're going to click next. This is where the magic happens, guys. When you finish your metadata, title, description, and everything usually necessary, hashtags, and potentially you might include some more information. The second option here will be tag people. You want to click on it. Then you want to click on the exact spot of the picture where you want to place your tag. I'm going to click on the car. And then I'm going to look for the account that I want to tag. In our case, this is Ferrari. You want to click on the Ferrari, right? And now you can place your finger on the tag and you can move it around the image. Okay, you can put it here, you can put it there. Very important, the tag color, appearances, and size cannot be changed. So the way you see it, the way it is going to appear. And here underneath you see the list of tags that appear on the post. To show you how this will look if you add more tags, we're going to click again elsewhere and we're going to include, let's say, Lamborghini. Now we have two tags and now the list grew to two different tags. Let me show you how you can actually remove the wrong tag, which is the Lamborghini one. All we gotta do is to click on the X over here next to the actual tag and the tag will simply disappear. This is how you add tags on Instagram, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.